the simple items like a thermal shirt, t-shirts, you have to fold them in a certain way. And this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to take our shirt. This is blank because it doesn't have a logo yet. But you take it by the tips of the fingers. You fold it in to its inside. You bring it down. Make sure everything is nice and fit on a line. Use a piece of cardboard if you can to really make it smooth and like streamlined. But you roll it like a ninja rolls everything. So my brother Phil taught me this technique to get things into a space properly. There it is. It's easy to do. Everybody can do it. It looks very clean when it's done. Do the same thing with a t-shirt. Fold in the tops. Bring it down in the front. Make sure everything is streamlined forward. And you roll it. Thermal shirt. This one I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna inside out this one, just because I know it's dirty then. So your shirts and your pants and all that stuff, when they're clean, they're in the normal mode like this. But when they're dirty, you turn them inside out. You fold your laundry like this, so mom and dad have a good chance to know that you have everything done. Fold it into itself. You roll this thing up. The inside out ones are dirty. The outside ones, you know they're clean. And all of my laundry right now is dirty, so I'm going to do this. And hold on. I wore this today. That's the wrong side. This is how your parents know if you've washed your laundry or not. And you learn how to do this at a very early age. Make sure everything is perfect. Make sure it looks good. Because Army boys do not like dirty laundry. And everything here. I mean, normally you would see like a big pile of clothing that's just not good. Take your undies, flip them around. Mommy and Daddy will know if you wore them or not, because they can smell them either way. Unclean. Shirts. The tagless ones you can still tell. Those gotta be turned inside out too. As much as you like the front end of them, the back side is the part that's really dirty. So what you end up with in the end is a pile of this instead of a bunch of chaos. Like, the rooms that you live in should be nice and clean all the time. Everything should be fine. That should be your dirty laundry right there. You don't just shove everything into a hamper and make mom and dad work. This should be very easy for everybody. This is Army life, military, and it's perfect and easy to move around if you have to. But all of this stuff inside out is dirty, and they know it's dirty because it's inside out. That's why we do this. Boys, listen. Do your laundry and do it right. Take your stuff off, roll it up, put it in the corner. Do what you gotta do. Do your fucking laundry. Tommy says. This is your dirty laundry.